Yeah, hi Phil, Mark again. Okay, number 4. This one's the 1254 part. The ones that are, the lasers are a little bit more expensive. Same again with this one. Basically what I've done is I've changed the laser, so I put a brand new laser in there. I've done the cogs, checked the cogs on that. It's quite crappy, they've had a lot of use, these things. And checked the servo switch, the micro switch in there. And everything's, as it should be, basically. Freely spinning, and again I've had it on for several hours. So let's start this one up for you, and we can get that one going. Just turn the music up. So yeah, I can go up another track on this, so you can hear it playing away there. So yeah, all good on that, Phil. So hopefully you're happy with that, and you can see what I've done there. You got my date on there that I've done it, etc. So it's all been tested correctly. So thank you very much, and on with the next one. Cheers, Phil.